Well, hello there, YouTube. I've got some foundation on the back of my hand. It has been again a little while. I need to get back into it. I need to do it. I just need to get back into it. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do this makeup look. I had purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. As I was using it, by the way, this is the first time I'm using it, I noticed that I think the colors are similar to some of her other palettes, if I'm not mistaken. I will tilt this for you because, as you can tell, three of the shimmery shades are shattered. I did feel kind of bad, but at the same time, it's like those are not three shades that I would really use. I'm glad all of the mattes were still intact. This is the makeup look that I came up with, and I went in with the intention of doing a softer smoky eye, and I'm purely basing these colors off of videos that I've seen. A lot of people have done a lot of really lighter, like everyday looks, but I feel like with this look, it's like a daytime smoky eye that you can use. It's not too heavy and it's all matte. So I had seen a lot of shimmer, I had seen a lot of like just very more brown looks, so I kind of wanted to go away from that because I've seen a lot of videos of it already and provide options for you guys. So overall, my thoughts is it's a pretty good palette. I love the mattes. I love collecting matte eyeshadows in the brown or orange or reddish range, so I'm gonna use it. Do I have shades similar to them? Of course I do. Of course I do. I probably have replicates of some of these in other palettes, exact same shade, but I don't regret it, so treat yourself. Much like other shadows that are similar to this that are highly pigmented, it does have a lot of kick up. I did not use any of the shimmer shades, but for the most part, the matte shades generally run a little bit more powdery, but I will say that the pigmentation is just as good as the other palettes that I own from Anastasia. That is my thought on that. So I'm going to get straight into the tutorial using them and a couple of the other stuff that I need to put the look together. And I will be listing all of the products down below, as well as posting a photo of this look on Instagram with the list of products as well, just in case you're not interested in hearing me talk. You're welcome. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, that is the tutorial. That is a short review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram for photos of all the looks as well as beauty products that I use to put the looks together on all of my videos, be sure to check me out there. The link will be down below. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video and have not done so already and are interested, please hit the subscribe button down below. It will be greatly appreciated and you'll be notified in your subscription box when a new video comes out, hopefully sooner rather than later, right? So guys, till the next video, I hope you guys are all doing well, taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye.